So guys, in today's video, we are building pick a random card using Python. So see the video start to end, and please like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please tell me in the comment how is my performance is going, how is my videos, and tell me all things, okay? So and tell me that thing, what type of project will be uploaded on our channel, so tell me that also. So now I not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. There are so many card games today where you choose a card at random from a deck of cards to create an event. This is the feature of every card game today because you have to choose a card at random, and once you choose a card it becomes an event. So in this article I am going to walk you through a tutorial on how to pick a random card using Python. Pick a random card using Python. To pick a random card using Python, you have first to store all the cards in a data structure. So before storing a card in a data structure, let's understand what types of cards are there in a deck of cards. Below is the table that shows the type of card present in the decks of cards, like spade, king, queen, jack, ace, club, king, queen, jack, ace, diamond, king, queen, jack, ace, heart, king, queen, jack, ace. 2/10 cards, 2/10 cards, and that at total 13 total. So according to the above table, a deck of cards has 4 sets of cards, including hearts, clubs, spades, and diamonds. These sets of cards are known as suits. Each suit has 13 cards, which starts from 2 to 10, and then are continue with jack, queen, king, and ace in each suit. So, to pick a random card from the deck of cards, I will create 2 Python lists, one for storing the suits, another for storing the rank of cards. So below is how we can write a Python program to pick a random card. So now let's build it. So first of all, we using a Visual Studio Code. If we don't have Visual Studio Code, so go on to the Google and search here Visual Studio Code download. Wait, what? Visual Studio Code download? Then click on the first link, and if you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, so download on Mac. I am on Windows, so I already download, so I don't download it another time. So I go on to my Visual Studio Code, and what I will be do, let me tell you. First of all, I make a new window, then I close this window. Now I go on to the file and make a new file, and a shortcut key is Ctrl Alt Windows. And when you click here, so what you can do, here you can write like pick a random card.py. Why I am writing .py? Py means Python. So if you don't write py, your Python file will be not built. I click on the create file, so my file will be built. So first of all, here we can write like import random. And now we write like cards. So in cards, I am writing like in double commas diamonds. It is your own choice what you will be write like here, okay? And another double commas spades, comma, another double commas hearts, comma, then another double commas clubs. So I go on the down. So here we can write like ranks. What ranks? So we space then we write like here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in double commas, when you write like that, so comma again, then you write like here jack. I am writing like ranks, okay? This is ranks. Then queen, comma, king, comma, ace. So now we write like a def pick a card, then like that, then that. Now we write like card / random dot choices, then card. Then we write like rank, then here we can write like random dot choices, then we write like here ranks, okay? Now here we can write like return written, I'm writing like here we can written like in this we write like F, then double commas D, then we write like this here we can write like rank, then off, then here we can write like cart. So now we write like enter press 2 times, then here we can write like print pick a card, then what will we do? We do like this, then I erase this C in small c, okay, and this is C is to small c. Then I save from control S, then we run from here and shortcut is control alt N, I run it. So now it is coming like the two of diamonds, okay, and the queen of hearts. Here you can see it when you will be running. So it is coming like the 8 of club, 6 of club, 3 of club. It is a very simple. We build up pick a random card.py. So here you can see it, and so in this how we can create a easily as Python program to draw a random card from deck cards, or you can and also implement the same strategy for creating a complete card game. I hope you will like this article on how to draw a random card using Python. Feel free to ask your valuable question in the comment section below. Here you can see it, and it is very simple to build this. It is very beautiful and very pretty. Pick a random card pick a random card in Python. I hope you enjoy this class, and it is very simple to build it, and all the things is built on Python. All the games and things are built in Python. And tell me that one more thing, if you want I will be uploading community, okay? So now I please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also. I make 2 playlists of Python tutorials and Python projects. So please access the 2 playlists, okay? And now I meet you next class and next very amazing class, and please access the both playlists of Python project and Python tutorial. So I am meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.